Let your body release and let go naturally. We are going to warm up our wrists. So take a hold of your wrist and draw it close to your body. Holding your arm still, just begin to rotate your wrist. Choose a direction, right or left, and then when you feel ready, switch directions. Warming up the wrist, warming up the tendons and the muscles. This will really help us to get past any pain in our poses today. Keep rotating, holding the arm still against the body, and when you're ready, switch wrists. Just switching directions every now and then. Keep going, we're almost done. There you go. And freestyle. Freestyle. All right, you ready? Wide dog. Here we go. We're going to need 2 blocks, and we're going to extend our feet long and wide out beyond our mat. You see how far I have my feet extended out, nice and wide, and I'm folding forward with 2 blocks in front of me, about beneath my shoulder area, but look for what feels most comfortable for you. We're going to spend about 4 minutes here. So of course you want to get comfortable. You know how these deep stretches require you to relax. So find where you can relax. Feet are planted. The knees are not locked. That could become painful. We're going to allow the head to relax down. So the shoulders are relaxed. And really take note of this part. I'm placing 80% of my weight forward in my hands, allowing my crown to guide me down. Most of my weight is not in my feet. Most of my weight is forward in my hands. As your head becomes heavier, you may notice that you're ready to send your blocks down to the lower setting. So now your blocks can lie flat and your hands are on top of your blocks. And then you may even feel comfortable enough to completely remove your blocks and have your hands on the floor. If you're not there yet, it's okay. But when you're ready, go for it. And just relax your head down. Feel the lightness in your spine. Let your body release and let go naturally. And remember that 80% of your weight is forward in your hands. Your crown is reaching toward the floor, your head is relaxed. Gently turn your head from right to left, just allowing your neck to release. Allowing your body to feel heavy, allowing your hamstrings to gently release. And let's go into a time of deep quiet as we finish out this pose. Just relax. And now to gently come out of the pose. Breathe normally and begin to move your feet in toward the center of the mat, scooting them in, heel to toe, heel to toe, heel to toe, heel to toe, until they're about hip-width distance apart. Bend the knees, go down onto the knees, gently, nice and slowly, and then sit back onto the heels. Good job. I know that was deep. Roll the shoulders back, shake the wrists out. You did a wonderful job. This has been Devin with Present Day Yoga. Namaste. Thank you. Goodbye.